In today's video, we're diving into the 7 most powerful TradingView indicators that will make you a lot of money this year. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or have many years of experience. We've got something for everyone. So open your charts and let's unlock these magical tools one by one. The first indicator is called the IronBot V3, the ultimate TradingView indicator that takes your trades to a whole new dimension. This isn't just another tool. It's your personal trading assistant that analyzes the market, spots opportunities like a hawk, and hands you everything you need on a silver platter. Entry points? Check. Stop loss levels? Check. Take profit targets? Double check. The indicator uses a mind-blowing strategy that calculates the highest highs and lowest lows over time to determine exact price levels where the market is going to explode. Using Fibonacci retracement levels, it draws invisible lines on the chart that show you exactly where price will either reverse or continue. It's like having a superpower that lets you see into the future. Let's say you want to buy. The indicator will only fire a signal if the closing price is above the trend line and the 0.236 fib level. Translation? The market's showing signs of strength. Ready to sell? The closing price needs to drop below the trend line and fib level of 0.786. This is where the market's about to tumble, and you're already one step ahead. Want more? Oh, it gets better. You can fine-tune everything. Set your analysis window, decide when to start getting signals, adjust your stop loss and take profit levels, and control your risk. And did I mention the break-even feature? As your trade moves in your favor, the stop loss moves too, locking in profits without you lifting a finger. Every time part of your trade closes, the profit metric updates, and you'll see real-time stats on how you're performing. It's like your personal trading scoreboard. By the way, on the Bitcoin 15-minute time frame, the indicator generated a total profit of over 370% in just 4 months. Imagine if you tweaked the settings. The profit could be much higher. The next indicator you absolutely need in 2025 is the Trade IQ Toolkit. After years of intense research and relentless testing, the Chart Prime team has finally unlocked the holy grail of trading indicators on the TradingView platform. And I'm here to tell you, this is the tool every trader dreams of. With this magical tool, you can build any strategy that fits your needs, no matter your trading style. It's not just one indicator. It's an all-in-one solution that covers every base. Forget about those basic indicators that only focus on one tiny part of trading. The Trade IQ tool gives you the full picture. It combines price action analysis, trend recognition, and volume analysis, giving you a comprehensive view of the market. And wait, there's more. Supply and demand analysis, trade entries with targets and stop losses, trend lines, and breakouts. It's all there, right at your fingertips. Imagine knowing where the market is likely to rise or fall before it even happens. The multi-time frame analysis and the market bias dashboard give you that strategic edge over the market, letting you trade with confidence and precision. Let's say you're looking for the best time to buy Bitcoin. First things first, you wait for the Trade IQ tool to trigger a buy alert. Next, you look for additional confluences like a bullish trend line rebound. Finally, you ensure the trend score is positive on higher time frames. And just like that, you predicted the pump at the right time. Want to test it out? Click the first link in the description and get the Trade IQ Toolkit risk-free. Next up on my list is an indicator called Market Structure Trend Targets. This tool is designed to give you a clear roadmap of where the market is headed, identifying trend direction and continuation points by marking significant breaks in price levels. This tool displays breakout points with numbered markers. This feature is like your personal market detective, pinpointing key breakout points where the price breaks above a previous high in an uptrend or below a previous low in a downtrend. The very first breakout is marked with an entry price and a triangle icon. Easy to spot, easy to act on. As the trend continues, each subsequent breakout gets numbered sequentially so you can easily track the momentum of the trend. Want to see exactly how far the price has moved in the current trend? Just turn on the percentage change option and instantly get a visual display of the percentage change since the initial breakout. In uptrends, the stop loss is placed just below the price to protect you from any surprise drops. In downtrends, it's placed above the price, guarding you from sudden upward moves. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. If the price falls below the stop loss in an uptrend and then re-enters above it, the indicator places a diamond icon. This could be your sign that a mean reversion is coming. One of the safest strategies with this tool is to open a trade on the second or third breakout in the direction of the ongoing trend. This tactic will ensure you avoid choppy market conditions and only take highly profitable trades. Try it out. The next indicator you should definitely add to your arsenal is the statistical trend analysis, scatterplot, Big Beluga. Whether you're a pro trader or just starting out, this tool will completely change the way you analyze price action. Let's start with the Z-score. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math expert to read this tool. The Z-score tells you how far a price move is from the average. Think of it as a way to measure extreme price moves. A high positive Z-score means the price is significantly above average, signaling that bullish momentum is strong. And here's the best part. It also tracks the rate of change of the Z-score, helping you spot momentum shifts before they fully unfold. Now that you know how the Z-score works, let's dive into the scatterplot visualization. Picture this. You've got a scatterplot showing how the Z-score moves across 4 key quadrants. Each quadrant gives you a snapshot of market conditions, so let's break it down. Let's start with the upper right. This is where the magic happens. If the data points land here, it's strong bullish momentum, meaning the market's in an uptrend. Moving over to the upper left, you'll start to see the momentum weakening. Could be a market shift or a ranging market. If the data points are on the lower left quadrant, it's all about bearish momentum. You're likely in a downtrend. And then, in the lower right, you might see signs of a trend shift. Bearish momentum weakens, or a bullish trend could be forming. Keep an eye on this one. And then there's the Z-score line plot. Watch this closely, because it's your early warning system for trend shifts. For example, the line just crossed the 0 level, indicating an early bullish trend signal. Your next move? Look for an arrow pointing up in the upper right corner. That's your final confirmation to buy. Whether you're tracking bullish or bearish momentum, spotting trend shifts, or identifying overbought or oversold conditions, this tool has got you covered. Next up, we have a powerful indicator called Zero Lag Trend Signals, a tool that eliminates lag and gives you lightning-fast trend insights across multiple timeframes. This isn't your average trend indicator. The Zero Lag EMA smooths out all that noisy price action while minimizing lag, giving you real-time trend data without waiting forever. Ever wanted to see how the market is trending across multiple timeframes at once? Well, now you can. The tool displays trends from 5 minutes all the way to daily, giving you a bird's-eye view of market momentum. And with up to 5 timeframes, you'll always know the bigger picture. This tool doesn't just follow trends, it predicts them. With adaptive upper and lower bands, you'll spot trend reversals early and avoid those false signals that mess up your trades. When price crosses these bands, it marks the beginning of a new trend. And to make sure you're getting the big picture, it pulls in trend data from up to 5 timeframes and shows you a clean summary in the table. You'll see upward and downward arrows marking potential entries and exits, based on how the trend aligns across timeframes. Here's a strategy you can try today to make huge gains. First, spot the trend change from bearish to bullish. Second, wait for a trend continuation signal after a pullback to the green band. Finally, check the dashboard for a positive trend on higher timeframes. I personally prefer using the daily chart. If the signal aligns with a positive trend, you're ready to go long. The next indicator on our list is the Trend Trader-Remastered. This is a powerhouse tool designed to give you precision entry signals, take profit opportunities, and re-entry cues, all while eliminating the noise and distractions of false signals. It's so accurate that it almost never loses. Built on the reliable foundation of the parabolic SAR, this tool ensures that you're making only the most strategically timed trades. Trend Trader-Remastered is like your trend spotting device, pinpointing potential trend shifts and giving you timely buy and sell signals when the market is moving in your favor. But this indicator isn't just about getting in, it's also about getting out at the right time. This tool uses Bill Williams fractals to provide precise take profit and re-entry signals. Take profit signals are generated in alignment with previous ones, ensuring that you're locking in gains at strategically calculated levels. The beauty of Trend Trader Indicator lies in its consistent approach to following the trend. The indicator doesn't just give you one take profit signal and leave you hanging. It continues to generate take profit opportunities as the trend moves forward, ensuring you stay aligned with the market's momentum. No more jumping in and out of positions. This is a systematic strategy that lets you ride the trend all the way to the finish line. This tool is the perfect solution for traders who want to stay on the right side of the market, making timely, informed decisions at every step. Finally, let's unveil the seventh indicator that will truly blow your mind. Introducing the Super Trend Volume Big Beluga, an advanced indicator that combines the power of traditional super trend with a normalized volume visualization. This tool gives you deeper insights into both price action and market participation, helping you make smarter decisions in any market environment. The Super Trend methodology powers the indicator's dynamic trend bands, which adapt to price movements in real time. When the market is in an uptrend, the bands turn green, and when the market flips into a downtrend, they turn purple. These bands don't just tell you the trend, they help you visualize it, giving you a clearer picture of market direction. Inside the trend bands, you'll see normalized volume displayed, making it easier to gauge market participation during trends. The volume indicator helps highlight the strength of each move, so you'll know when the market is really pushing and when it's losing steam. You can choose between two ways to visualize this. Bars shows volume as vertical bars inside the bands, making it easy to track volume spikes. Area displays volume as a shaded area for a cleaner, smoother view of market activity. Here's how to use this indicator for maximum gains. Let's say you're looking to buy the stock. First thing you do is wait for the market to enter a bullish trend. Then, you look for the price pullback into the super trend band. The candlestick that touches the band must have a long lower wick, which indicates a strong support. The volume must be present at the time of the pullback. If the volume is flat, you do not consider the signal. If all the confluences are met, you're ready to take a long trade. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed these indicators, leave a like to this video and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us.